Are you struggling with writing academic reports? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the process of writing a perfect academic report in 2024, step by step. First, start by thoroughly researching your topic. Make sure to use reliable sources and take detailed notes. This will help you build a strong foundation for your report. Next, create an outline to organize your ideas and information. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your report flows smoothly from start to finish. When writing your report, make sure to use clear and concise language. Avoid using jargon or overly complex sentences. Remember, your goal is to communicate your ideas effectively. Don't forget to properly cite your sources. This is crucial to avoid plagiarism and give credit to the original authors. Use the appropriate citation style required by your institution. Finally, proofread your report carefully to check for any errors in grammar, spelling, or formatting. You may also want to have someone else read it to provide feedback. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can write a perfect academic report in 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.